Let's talk about how to use TapTapSend promo code for your first transfer. Now basically there are two types of promo codes that you can apply. Either a friend that has referred to you, you can use that promo code, or it may be the promo code that the marketing team of TapTapSend might have given you. So in both cases, what you need to do is whenever you try to transfer the amount, you should have a section called the promo code. So it will look something like this. As you try to transfer, you'll have a section called enter code. You just need to enter in the code that you have and then tap on enter. As soon as you add in the code, you should be able to get an extra amount, which may differ from $5 to $10. So depending upon what kind of code that you have, you can just apply in the code and then tap on enter. So using this exact process, you can use TapTapSend promo code for your first transfer. Do give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.